Welcome to our video on becoming a successful business development manager. In this video, we will provide you with valuable insights and strategies that will help you excel in your role as a business development manager. We'll cover the key skills, responsibilities, and techniques that are essential for success in this field. So, let's get started. Business development managers are responsible for identifying and pursuing new business opportunities, building and maintaining relationships with clients and partners, and driving growth and revenue for their companies. It's a challenging and rewarding role that requires a combination of strategic thinking, sales skills, and relationship-building abilities. So, what does it take to be a successful business development manager? Here are some key strategies and tips that can help. 1. Develop a deep understanding of your company and industry. To be an effective business development manager, you need to have a solid understanding of your company's products, services, and target market. 1. You should also be knowledgeable about the latest trends and developments in your industry. 1. This will help you identify new business opportunities and position your company for success. 2. Build strong relationships with clients and partners. Business development managers need to be skilled at building and maintaining relationships with clients and partners. 2. This involves being a good listener, understanding their needs and challenges, and providing value-added solutions that meet their specific requirements. 2. It's also important to be responsive and reliable, and to follow up on commitments in a timely manner. 3. Focus on value, not just price. In today's competitive business environment, it's not enough to just offer the lowest price. 3. Business development managers need to focus on providing value-added solutions that address their clients' needs and challenges. 3. This involves understanding their business goals and priorities, and developing customized solutions that meet their specific requirements. 3. By focusing on value, you can differentiate your company from competitors and build long-term relationships with clients. 4. Be proactive and persistent. Business development is a competitive and challenging field, and success often requires persistence and determination. 4. You need to be proactive in seeking out new business opportunities, and persistent in following up on leads and opportunities. 4. This involves being creative and resourceful, and thinking outside the box to find new ways to grow your business. 5. Continuously improve your skills and knowledge. Finally, to be a successful business development manager, you need to be committed to continuous learning and improvement. 5. This involves staying up to date on the latest trends and developments in your industry, and developing new skills and knowledge that can help you excel in your role. 5. This can involve attending industry conferences, taking courses or training programs, and networking with other professionals in your field. That's it for our video on becoming a successful business development manager. We hope you found these strategies and tips helpful, and that they will help you excel in your role. Remember, being a successful business development manager requires a combination of strategic thinking, sales skills, and relationship-building abilities. By following these strategies and tips, you can position yourself for success and drive growth and revenue for your company. Thanks for watching.